Hey everyone, welcome to Datature Tutorials. I'm Wei Loon, and today we'll be building an image classification model. So, image classification is really great if you have a bunch of images and you want to tell them apart based on categories such as animals, plants, or other kinds of objects. And we'll show you how you can use Datature Nexus to easily build and deploy your own image classification model. So this is our Nexus dashboard, where you can create and manage your computer vision projects. The first thing that we'll do is to create a new project. You can type a name for your project. In this example, we will be doing a project on human action classification. We'll set the object type to classification and then click Next Step to create your project. Now, let's upload some data into our project. Click on the Dataset tab and click Upload Assets. You can drag and drop some images to upload it. Click Next, and you can also choose an asset group if you wish to categorize the different images that you have. Once done, click on Upload Files. Once your dataset has been uploaded, we can begin annotating your data. Click on the Annotator tab to annotate your images. To start, we can create a tag such as using laptop and save it. Then click on one of the images, change the tag to using laptop, and click the button Assign or press the hotkey A. You can repeat this process to label all the images that you want to label. Now, once the data is annotated, we can create a workflow for the model training. Click on the Workflow tab to create a new training workflow. You will be presented with a recommendation screen where you can choose different options. So in this case, let's click on Image Classification. We'll be choosing a small model for real-time inference, and we'll also be prioritizing the inference speed. Once that's done, click on Build Model Workflow, and we will have a workflow recommended for you. You can choose to customize the workflow as you wish, but alternatively, you can just click on one training with the default settings. You can select a checkpoint strategy, and in this case, we'll be prioritizing the lowest loss. Then we click Next to choose your hardware settings. We'll be using a single T4 GPU that is hosted on our cloud servers. Once the workflow has been created, we can go and train the model by clicking the Start Training button, and your training will begin. Once the model has been trained, we can take a look at the metrics and the predictions that the model has made on the training dashboard page. You can see the different metrics curves such as the losses, the precision, as well as the confidences. Alternatively, if you want to see what the model is predicting, you can click on the Advanced Evaluation tab, and you will see two different sections. On the left is the images that you have annotated, and on the right are the model predictions. You can scroll through the evaluation checkpoints to see how the model is predicting those images at different points in time, and also see the confidences for the advanced users. You can also look at the confusion matrix as well as the training logs. If you are happy with the training, we can export the model in a variety of different model formats. Depending on your deployment environment, you can choose a variety of model formats to export your model for each device. So if you have an Android device, you can choose something like Onyx or TF Lite, CoreML for Apple devices, or TensorRT for NVIDIA-based edge devices. For most of our export formats, you can also choose optimization techniques such as quantization and pruning. Alternatively, if you wish to host the model on our cloud services, you can create a deployment, and we will expose an API for you so that you can call that API and make predictions. Once you have deployed a model, if you wish to integrate it with your own tech stack, or if you wish to perform some post-processing steps on the predictions, you can leverage our Python SDK or CLI. Now that you have successfully trained and deployed an image classification model, you can go ahead and check out our other tutorials on how to build other projects like object detection and segmentation. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to our new videos.